and I want to take a look at copper. Now, this is not a heavily traded, I mean, when I look at here, I'm looking over in another window, and it tells me that the 20-day average volume on this ETF is like 81,000 shares. So it's not a heavily traded ETF, but it does give you an indication of what's going on with copper. So I want to look over here at the monthly view. Now this looks pretty messy, I'll admit. So there's a lot going on with the moving averages, a lot of volatility in here with the highs and lows on a monthly basis. And you can see it was down for what, October, November, December, and now we're up slightly here in January after just 2 days of trading. Now what I want to do is strip off some of this noise. So let's just go to candles only. So here's candles only. And then you still have a lot of volatility. You try to look at this and say, well, what the heck is going on? Well, let's strip off and look at close only. Now all of a sudden you get a little bit different picture. Monthly close only pricing. And then you take and draw a trend line across these closes. And if this starts to turn higher, so I'm going to be watching the daily, weekly, especially the weekly. If this starts to turn higher in here, starts to move, this could get really, really interesting on copper over the coming months and over the next year or two. So that's an interesting picture. I'll leave you with that. If you felt like the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, hit that little subscriber button. If you'd like more of this information on a regular basis, head on over to joehenches.net.